It's here and it's huge. Look at that. I did not realize it's gonna be this big, but let's open it. This thing is huge. So, sticky with sand. Then, some wires, charger. I'm not sure what this is. Not sure what this is, but I think it's like a cover or something. Pikachu? Off. It's like a cover or something. More wires, manual, and let's take the final thing out. I'm taking with headphones and let's see. Pikachu? Pikachu? Do you want to play shoe? When I learned how to play it in New York, I forgot about this. That's the sustain pedal, or I don't know, the push pedal. And finally take it out. Get out. Come on, slide out. Come on! There's something wrong here. Okay, finally. So that's the back. Not relevant, I guess. Oh, whew. This was a task. I really wish they would have given like a handle or something to pick this thing up, because this thing is huge and heavy. Look at this. Oh, this is just like a workout today, I guess. So here's the beautiful piano. I actually really like the finish of this piano. It's like wooden and it goes with like literally all of my furniture, which is pretty amazing too. But like apart from that fact, it's pretty nice looking. So it's like turn it on, the volume, it's very, very loud. It came with this stand, so I put my iPad on this, and it came with these headphones that you can plug into and basically listen to the sound. And then so this is like halfway through the volume. It's pretty loud. And then there are these different kind of sounds, drums. I don't know what I did, but I probably made some sequence. But yeah, so this is it. I'm actually really happy with it, and so now I'm gonna learn how to play. Oh yeah, sorry, it came with this sustain pedal too. Pretty big, pretty nice. Yeah, so there you go. Let's see. What do I? How do you use the sustain pedal? Oh, I know how to use it. Okay, that's how it goes. So I do my favorite song. Backseat, have you anyone? Yes sir, do backseat. Okay, let's try this one. I like this one. Drum. Is it the
Thank you.